Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie. We are currently at Crater Lake National Park. We are staying actually outside of the park at Union Creek Resort. It's about a 30-minute drive to the park. We are staying tonight, or for 3 days, in cabin number 5. We're going to go check it out. We're inside the cabin right now. It's a little dark and we have all of the lights on. You may hear the air conditioner. It works really, really good. The cabin is better than I thought. I saw some of the reviews and I was a little worried. We have a king size bed. We have a ceiling fan with some lights, an air conditioner, like I said, that works well. 2 chairs and a lamp, bedside tables, and we paid $275 a night, so we're here for 3 nights. This is very expensive for what you get, but we have a kitchen, which we're happy to have. So we'll come into that area. We have the dining room, so we can sit there. We also have an oven and stove, microwave. They have dishes down there for us, coffee pot, pots and pans. Oh, everything we need. A fridge, freezer. Everything seems to work. Right off the kitchen is the bathroom. I'm gonna let Garrett go in there to show you, but it's everything you're gonna expect in a bathroom. A toilet, a shower, and a sink.
Yeah, it's a small bathroom. I'm not gonna be back in there very much.
Okay. So that's the tour of our cabin. We'll take you around the resort as we venture out ourselves, and hopefully we like it here. So here's a view of some of the things around Union Creek Resort. There is a restaurant and a place you can get ice cream, which is pretty cool. And there's a gift shop in the check-in station. We are in Crater Lake National Park and we are walking on our first trail since we've gotten here. I think it's called Plakini Trail. Is that right, Garrett?
I think it's called Plakini, but I don't know how to pronounce it.
Okay, well
whatever you said was not right.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever I said was not right. I'll put the name on the screen. It says it's wheelchair accessible. There was some construction to get on the trail, so it would be kind of difficult for a wheelchair to get on here, but otherwise it is flat. It is not paved though. So far we have only seen one other couple, but we just started the hike. So there is the trail name, and it's a mile out and back, not a loop. I think we should have worn shorts. I'm hot. It is September 8th when we're doing the hike to the falls. It's probably about 65 or 70 degrees. It is smoky here. You probably can't tell in the video, but there are wildfires nearby. The breathability index is poor, and you can kind of smell a tinge of smoke in the air, and it's definitely hazy, and we're hoping it doesn't impact our views of the lake. We are almost to the falls. We can hear it. We're now climbing up in a steep area, which would make it a little bit difficult for somebody in a wheelchair unless they have somebody pushing them. This is the end of the trail. We got to see this beautiful waterfall, probably 25 to 35 feet tall. I'm not really sure. And it flows and cascades over these rocks down into a creek. It was worth the hike for sure.
We just finished our hike to the falls. It was beautiful. I'd say about 25 minutes each way. I think it's 2 miles round trip. Trail is mostly flat with a slight uphill at the end. Falls were beautiful. Stephanie's got some wonderful video of it. We saw a few people going in and out on the trail, but luckily we had the falls to ourselves when we got there. Spent about 15 minutes and really enjoyed it.
We just got our first glimpse of Crater Lake. You really can't see much because of all of the smoke. Anyway, in the distance you can see the Phantom ship. That thing is 170 feet tall, which you cannot even appreciate because it's so far away and the scale's off, but it's pretty cool looking. Stop number 2 on our first day in Crater Lake is the Sun Notch viewpoint. Garrett's telling me it's less than a mile each way, and we are heading there now. We are still hiking to Top Notch. This is much steeper than the first hike to the falls. We made it to the top of Sun Notch, and we have a view of the Phantom ship. I'm kind of surprised that we saw it based on how smoky it is, but you actually can see it pretty well. You can see across the lake much better here than we could at the Phantom ship viewpoint, and I really like how, I'm sure this isn't picked up in the video, the reflection of the mountains in the lake. So Garrett's already said that we have to come back at some point in the future so that we can see all of this without the haze.
Come back when it's snowing.
Oh, I don't know about that. We just finished the hike to Sun Notch. We took the trail to the right that is steeper, so I would suggest that you go towards the left and come down on the right. It was pretty good. Couldn't see much because of the haze, but on a clear day, definitely worth it. Probably took us, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes with stops. I'm zoomed into Wizard Island, but you really can't see it. Maybe you can tell how cloudy it is. Smoky, actually. We came to the Bidet picnic area for lunch. Super good place. The picnic tables are nice, solid wood, sturdy. After lunch, we came over to Bidet Falls from the Bidet picnic area. This is just a quick pull off, and like we're not even, I don't know, 20 feet from the car, if that. And there's the fall. Probably have to get my brakes checked by the time we get back.
Yeah. This is the windiest part of the road by far.
I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. Check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com, and we'll see you next Thursday.